let's go to the beach. As soon as I reached the beach with my friend, we met a very cute dog. We called it TikTok, showered it with lots of love, and even treated it to some yummy cookies. I brought along a sand kit tool set and a bucket from home, making it super easy for my friend and me to play in the sand. We had lots of fun on the beach for a long time, and then, feeling really tired, we went back to our room to rest. After resting, I went to the play area where I played the foosball game. Really, it's a fun game. So that's it for this vlog. Stay tuned for the next one where we'll explore more of Rishikesh. Bye bye.